If you're putting in sprinklers and you're trying to figure out how you're going to get the in-ground sprinkler heads to be at ground level without digging your trench super deep, you can do that with a swing joint assembly. Just screws in with a 1/2 inch into a 1/2 inch female pipe thread, and it allows you to move it up and down. The other cool thing about this, so in that case, all you got to do is dig out just where the sprinkler head is to whatever depth you want. It also protects the sprinkler head from an upper impact from cracking your pipe here, and also super easy to install and remove, because rather than having imagined that I didn't have that and I had to, dig a bunch of stuff out, I can pull straight up, screw it off there, or screw it off here, whatever I need to do. And again, I can adjust it. Same thing if I don't get my attachment quite at the right angle. There's a little bit of slip here and there so that I can make sure that my sprinkler head is 90 degrees to the ground, so it pops straight up. So overall, really handy solution for in-ground sprinklers is a swing joint assembly. You just buy the assemblies here, and you screw them into the bottom of whatever, same as you would normally with a riser, but instead it's got the swing joint assembly.